So what's cracking? Today we're at the Suavesitos presents the Cinco de Mayo Fiesta in the city of San Bernardino. This is out off of Mount Vernon at the Placita Park. We'll go ahead and get into this. Appreciate everyone that's watched the last videos. If you haven't seen them, make sure you check them out. It's the Stockton Paula's Lowrider Show. And I also have the San Diego Chicano Park Day. Both were good turnouts, so make sure you guys check that out. My mistress site. Let's get into these over here. They usually have the whole park filled up with cars, but I don't see any cars on the park. So looks like there's a good amount of cars, but we'll try to get through this, see what we see. Don't forget to hit that smash, subscribe, comment, timestamp some good parts. Man, lately YouTube's been doing me dirty with the copyright music. Suavesitos. But what can you do? 48. Elite line. Black and orange looking clean. Pinstriping pretty nice on that. Oh, my bad. Trying to fix the settings on this. Plain. Barely tried.
Sorry, man. You get out of your picture.
No, you're good. You're good. That was a dope shot right there. Carrying the pistol. Clean, clean. Get the back end of these. Got the P-Town. Damn, that upholstery though, looking nice. Oh yeah, got the turtle right there, sick. Taurus Boulevard. good one. Check out these over here. Yeah, today I'm drinking the Estrella Michelada. My first time trying it. That shit's pretty good. Hopefully everyone has a safe Cinco de Mayo. Happy birthday to the Pops. His birthday's on Cinco de Mayo. Good? Come on, good or what?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
One of them didn't like practice.
Okay, that's fine. Try to get some better pictures right here.
Wait, is my hair fine?
That's a dope picture. Oh yeah. Sticker fell out of my bag, so I went to go reach for that, then I thought I fucking dropped that. Fucking shit. Just wipe it on my shirt. We're gonna be walking back that way anyways, come on. Oh wow. Just spilled the rest of my drink. What a waste. Oh shit, I didn't really grab these. This is actually for sale, 40,000, 909, 567, 3989. Looks like a night out car club. So let's see what else they got out here. Few more cars lined up along the side. Check those out, then we'll start heading out to the next spot. You got Media Magic out here doing their thing. They got a mustache on there. Oh yeah, should have probably went that way. So then after I went and got here with the music. But hopefully it doesn't pick up too much. Damn, this T-model Ford. That's dope. It's like seeing cars like that because you really don't see those out here too often. Check out these over here. Stevens Family Car Club. Damn, those pinstripes though. Nice, nice. Oy. Try to get these last couple ones. Head out to the next spot. City Kings. And then Empire. Seeing this one, paint job on that is sick. Check out these last couple ones. Damn foods. Sick. Let's see.
How about YouTuber?
Yeah.
What's your... There you go. It's my YouTube channel.
Oh, hi. Appreciate you.
All right. I'm on YouTube right now too.
Oh, hi.
Yeah.
Going live?
Yeah.
Awesome. Appreciate you. I'll make sure to subscribe. Awesome.
Right,
thank you.
Here. You know you gotta support each channel.
Oh yeah, of course. Appreciate you.
All right. I'll put it on my live right now.
Thank you. Oh yeah. That's what's up. That's one thing that's cool, is always supporting other channels. I don't mind. Foods that show love, I don't mind showing love. all the time. But yeah, here it is, Jimenez Video Productions. But too much to see. Oh yeah, appreciate you.
All right.
So yeah.
Subscribe to that channel.
Oh yeah, thank you. Throw me on this live, that's cool. I don't really go on people's lives, but yeah. Oh yeah. Shout out there.